Hi guys, welcome to City Student. My name is Ketan. So we're gonna analyze. I'm Ranchi today. By the way, this is the series wherein I told you guys we'll be analyzing new IIMs. So let's talk about IIM Ranchi, one of the most reputed or one of the most upcoming college I would say. In a less span, this college has been really able to do very well. So let's have a look at. Okay, so we're going to start with the student's profile. IIM branch is actually known for a lot of diversity actually and a lot of versatility by the way. So that's what they say here, like 21 states and 2 union territories. So you will be seeing people joining IIM branch across or you can say pan India level. Okay, let's look at the student profile. Fair enough. So batch strength is around about 281. This is little more than IIM Trichy and IIM Shillong, I guess. But okay, compared to other IIMs, I think it's on the lower side. Okay, cool. So we'll start with the work experience. So if we look at the work experience, which is roundabout, so we'll start with the smaller one. So 1 to 12 months, 16.3. So you will get very few people out here with roundabout like 1 to 12 months, like 1 year ka work ex, which is close to freshers only, guys. So 13 to 24 months, 14.4. 25 to 36, 20.7. Okay, freshers are 41.4. So if I sort of club this up, it should go more than 50%, and 50% is a good number. We have seen the same thing as far as IIM Trichy is concerned. We have seen the same thing as far as IIM Shillong is concerned. So I think this is a good combination. Only 36 months, 7.2% people are here. So a good combination of working people and non-working people. Okay, let's see what do we have. All right, so let's talk about the placement highlights for MBA program. So total number of students start for placement 181. The rest of them are definitely from the HR background. Now let's go step by step. The number of companies came on campus 94. First time recruiters are 71. So this is a plus point for IIM Ranchi. Let's look at the average package for top 25% not interested. Look at the highest international salary, that's around about 60 lakhs. Good news for those who wanna move in abroad. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry for my throat. Please bear with me. I know it's sort of a disturbance. कुछ कुछ बच्चा लोग comment भी करता है, but please bear with me. Highest domestic CTC is 24 lakhs. Okay, this is quite on a lower end. I would expect this to be on a little bit on a higher level, looking at the ranch and the performance. Okay, so the median is 14.82. See, guys, now here you need to analyze. Now, what's happening here is that if you look at the difference over here, your average package is around about 24 lakhs and your median package is around about close to 15 lakhs. Now, this is the good news. Now, why it's good? Because this is where I can understand if I draw this sort of a standard deviation. This is pretty bad. Let me just get this correct. So what I mean to say is that if I am drawing this standard deviation as far as the placements are concerned, then what I see is basically here maximum people will be close to the median because your if you look at your top placement is only 24 and your average is 14. It means maximum people are actually getting packages which are more than 14 or in the range of let's just say 16 to 20 lakhs. That's a good thing. So I would really get happy to see a very high CTC, let's say 70 lakhs or getting at your average is round about 10 lakhs or let's say 12 lakhs, and that should not be the case. So I think this is a good scenario. So this is where you should be looking at that. Okay, जो highest salary होगा वो 2 से 3 बच्चों को मिलेगा, but average would matter a lot because most of the बच्चे लोग will be close to this median out here, right? So this is a good news, by the way. Now let's look at a couple of more statistics. Average CTC for top 10% is 20 lakhs. Okay, average CTC is round about 16, but again, I will always go with the median. So placement wise, it looks decent, better than IIM Trichy, I would say. Okay, for MBA HR, according to me, MBA HR, I would rate definitely top seven, yeah, in the country. So IIM Ranchi will definitely make it to top seven B schools for HR in the country, and that is the reason I'm actually reviewing this. 67 total number of recruiters 42, 20 were new. This is again a plus sign. Median salary is 14 lakhs, which is sort of parallel to SMHRD. That's something. But again, if I really have to choose between SMHRD and IIM Ranchi, I will definitely go for IIM Ranchi. Looking at the long-term perspective, because in the long run, IIM brand would definitely help me out. That's for sure. Average CTC for 25% is 20. So you really cannot expect HI to go high. But again, if you have to cover or if you have to sort of think about IIM Shillong and IIM Ranchi. I just made a video on IIM Shillong. That's the reason I'm doing this comparison. For HR perspective, then I would definitely go for IIM Ranchi because It has a dedicated, at such a program. And again, 48 lakhs was the highest package for IIM Shillong's HR program, but the average was a little bit lower compared to IIM Ranchi. So IIM Ranchi has done a good job. Though the highest salary is not at par with IIM Shillong, but definitely I would choose IIM Ranchi over and above IIM Shillong. Even if you take IIM Shillong, doesn't matter. It's just that IIM Ranchi has this dedicated program, and I sort of believe that dedicated program in the field of HR would do really well in coming couple of years down the line. So this is my take on it. Okay. What do we have? So now we have placements which are okay, sector wise. IT and analytics. So IT and analytics के बारे में अगर बात करेंगे, highest is 16.12. Okay, average CTC. Let's leave that. Median is 13.37. Okay, so this is something okay types we can say. Prominent associate, Capgemini, IBM, Infosys, Value Labs, Trident, ACG World. These are okay ones. Okay, top profiles offered: product management, business analyst, application manager. So looking at the IT analytics, the profile, the sort of quality of profile is good. Moving ahead, what do we have? Moving ahead, we have sales and marketing. So highest CTC is 60 lakhs. So this has been given for the sales guys or for the marketing guys. You can say international placement anyway. Okay, average is round about, median is round about 13, close to IT analytics. Top 10% is 20, top 25% is 18, which is decent. This is a decent thing. Budget Prince, Ipmami, HP, Maruti, Suzuki, Kotak Mahindra. These are all the prominent, recruiters you will see across the board of top-notch MBA colleges, and they are coming on ranch also, so that's a good thing. Top profiles offered: campaign manager, territory sales manager, B2B sales, brand manager, agile sales. Good, actually good, looks good. So for marketing, the profiles are good. Strategy consulting, highest CTC is 22. Average and medium is, oh, this is a little bit surprising. Now, see, your highest CTC for marketing is 60 lakhs international, right? Look at these figures for sales and marketing, and look at these figures for strategy and consulting. It means it has a good hold on strategy and consulting, and also the recruiters are now recognizing IIM Ranchi for strategy and consulting sort of profiles, because look at the numbers. Numbers are quite higher. Now, would love to see the excuse me, companies: Accenture, Cognite, Deloitte, E&Y, RPG Group. Okay. So strategy के लिए they don't have MBB, which is McKinsey, Bain and Company, and BCG. That's okay. Look at the profiles: business strategist, strategy advisory, IT consulting, management consulting, account management. Accenture, I think, not sure though, बट आई थिंक एक्सेंचर में शायद से मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग होगा, बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट तुम्हारा डेलॉइट वगैरह के लिए होगा, आईटी कंसल्टिंग तुम्हारा वापस कॉग्नी वगैरह के लिए होगा. सो कंसल्टिंग वाइज इट्स गुड. सो दोज हु आर कीन ऑन कंसल्टिंग sort of career can take IIM Ranchi as a good option. Now, when you look at IIM Trichy and when you look at IIM Shillong, strategy and consulting, definitely IIM Ranchi, whatever data that we have, looks a little bit good. But again, when you look at brand over a period of time, IIM Shillong is a little bit older than IIM Ranchi. So मेरे ख्याल से I would still choose IIM Shillong over and above IIM Ranchi for strategy and consulting, and for that matter, any other B school, I would say. Prominent association for finance. Okay, finances we are quite interesting. The numbers are better than the numbers are better than your sales and marketing, and they're actually better than Trichy. Surprisingly, guys, Trichy is actually known for a good finance hold. But if you look at IIM Ranchi is also now kind of bridging that gap and coming close to IIM Ranchi. Let's look at the profile: investment analyst, retail banking, corporate banking, wealth management. Normal profiles है, companies भी normal है. IIM Trichy, IIM Shillong में Goldman वगैरह आता है, तो IIM Shillong you can still prefer. Numbers are close by. Numbers are close by. Trichy ka numbers also close by. So IIM Ranchi, so I would say Shillong, Ranchi, and then Trichy. Operations are again good. Operations are good. SCM है, customer manager है, project management है, strategic sourcing है, procurement का भी है, operations management. So this is again better. So this looks quite good. Let's have a look at prominent association. You can pause the video, have a look at the recruiters. One second, let me just have a quick glance if we can see some good companies. Supply and all are coming. Okay, let's move ahead. What do we have? MBA HR placement. Okay, what do you have? Okay, Comp and Ben, HR analytics, business partner. See, all damn good profiles are here for HR, and that's the reason I say this is quite good for HR. Okay, prominent association. Okay, so let's conclude now. Fine. So definitely. So if you look at, I would put IIM Shillong over here. Probably I would put Ranchi here, and then Trichy, and then other new IIMs out here, and then other sort of new or rather I would say baby IIMs I'll put in here. Now let's understand Goa Institute of Management, IMI, IMI हो गया. Then you have IFMR, then you have KG Somaya. You can neglect these and you can join IIM Ranchi. Let's talk about Narsi Monji. The only thing that you should be looking at is where you want to get into. Narsing Munch is no doubt an amazing college, but when you talk about brand, definitely if you really keen on brand sort of person, then you should be going for IIM Ranchi. NM, they are equally good. They're equally good, no doubt about that. Yes, definitely. अगर मैं average package के बारे में बात करूंगा IIM Ranchi के थोड़ा सा on a lower side compared to Narsing Munji, but yeah, the brand is really good. Let's talk about a couple of IIT. See, IIT में, if you really want to go for operations, then you can sort of think about leaving IIM brand and then you can go for IIT. Because the moment you look at operations, guys, always remember, operation matlab IIT, patent, that nothing can beat them up. And if you look at IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, inka package, average package is close to 18 lakhs now. So these guys are already good. So you can choose IIM Ranchi over and above Sydenham also. You can choose IIM Ranchi over and above XIMB, definitely IMT Ghaziabad, definitely. Again, why IMT Ghaziabad? Definitely IMT Ghaziabad has its own reputation, but just for that IIM brand, which will go long way, in your life, on your resume. So you can kind of, take that up. माइका ओनली जब अगर ब्रांडिंग वगैरह करना है तो माइका के लिए चल सकते हो. यहाँ पे भी ब्रांडिंग की प्रोफाइल है, बट अगर ब्रांडिंग में चलना है, इफ रियली ब्रांडिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन, ब्रांडिंग में चलना है, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में चलना है, यू कैन चूज माइका बिकॉज माइका हैज इट्स ओन एडवांटेज. What else? What other colleges I'm missing on? So I think these are the non-IIMs that I just compared with IIM Ranchi. You can take IIM Ranchi over and above the other IIMs, and I will be doing the sort of analysis on the Udaipur, Raipur, Rohtak. So you can kind of stick around to my channel, subscribe if not, and then I will be kind of giving you an idea that what needs to be done as far as your college is concerned. But as of now, तीन कॉलेज मैंने एनालाइज किया करा है. बेबी एम्स का भी हो चुका है. ये मेरा रैंकिंग है. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन पुट द question on the comment. I will reply you. So guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much.